Yeah. All right. So for the next thing for is basically a correction of an issue that could occur in the cervix. So this is what is known as a cerclage or a cervical stitch. So a cerclage just simply means that maybe the cervix is weak, the cervix is opening before time, the cervix could give way, you understand, making a woman deliver a baby before time. So you just want to prevent this issue and kind of like stitch up the cervix. Okay, so the cerclage is also known as a cervical stitch. It's a surgical procedure, so it's used during pregnancy to prevent what? Premature birth. Of course, if the cervix is becoming weak and there's a possibility of it giving way, the baby can now be delivered before time. So it prevents premature birth or second trimester miscarriage caused by cervical insufficiency. So sometimes the cervix is thinning before the third trimester or before labor comes in, before contractions even start, right? So this is a condition where the cervix begins to open too early without contractions. So how does it work? A strong suture is placed around the cervix to keep it closed and reinforced. Typically done between 12 to 14 weeks of pregnancy, but can take up to 24 weeks in certain cases. It's removed around 37 weeks or earlier if labor begins. Do you understand? Later on now, where you need it out, you take it out. So who might need it? If the woman has given birth before and had issues of her cervix giving way before time, okay? If she's diagnosed with a short cervix, if she has previous cervical surgeries, congenital uterine anomalies, or connective tissue disorders, okay? So what are the types of cerclage? Transvaginal, that's through the vagina. Sometimes they actually open up your stomach. All right, so that does it. So risks and consideration is you have to do it well, because maybe infections could come in, bleeding, rupture of membranes, preterm labor or miscarriage, cervical damage if labor occurs with stitch in place. So as you are doing it, there should come a time where you should take it out. Okay, so that's just what the cerclage or cervical stitching simply means.